Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I'm hands-free and wireless while driving now with this new phone mount. I love that I can just get in my car and mount my phone so easily with one hand. My old mount used to clip in and I had to use two hands, and even though it doesn't sound like a big deal, when you're in and out of your car often, it does start to become a hassle. This little button here is really cool. It allows the phone to swivel. So that mount is not coming off of my dashboard. It's stuck really, really well, but I'm still able to change the angle or view of my phone while it's on there. And it just looks really nice on the dashboard, even without my phone mounted. Before I installed the mount in my car, I wanted to test the magnet. And as you can see, this phone is not going anywhere. You can hit all the bumps and potholes in the road that you want, and your phone is going to stay secure. This phone mount makes hands-free and wireless really simple, and that's my point of view.